Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my sewing room, where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple felt shirt, one that fits the Tammy dolls. They were made by the Ideal Toy Corporation, and you'll find that even for beginners, felt is super easy to work with. But before we begin, please go to my website shelleywood.com to download this free printable pattern and use the pattern to cut out all the pieces that you see here in green. We're going to sew the darts in the front, and then lay one of the backs against the front, stitch across the shoulder area, stitch both shoulders like that, open the bodice like this, and press the seams with a hot iron. Fold the backs against the front again. Make sure the sides of the shirt line up nicely. Stitch the sides from the underarm area to the very bottom of the shirt. Invert the shirt. Now you're ready to add some snaps. If you need help sewing snaps onto your shirt, I actually have a video tutorial for that. Just look in the description below this video on YouTube. Consider adding embellishments like tiny buttons, which you can buy on Etsy.com. Now you're ready to try it on your Tammy doll. For more free printable sewing patterns for dolls of many shapes and sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. I've also got the pattern for the pants you see in this video and her shorts pattern and many more. Once again, that's shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and my free patterns, remember to tell your friends about my website. You can find free patterns for doll clothes like this dress and lots of others. Goodbye.